So this is a Shield Neo, the latest para-alarm control panel for Shield company, manufacturer. So after the programming, we encountered one difficulty that during silence, there is an unstable output. So even you activated the manual call point, FM200, flow switch, and detectors, and we silence the alarm, the output is unstable. It will changes from on and off, or the relay contact is open and closed. Even in the mimic panel, as you can see in the video, that the LED must be steady during the alarm activation. But you will see there is a changes between 0 and 1, or it will toggling between on and off. And the output also to BMS integration from fire alarm to multi-protocol gateway is also giving a 0 and 1, or changes from 0 and 1 and 1 and 0. So this is until now we just verifying and investigating what is the causes of this problem. So if you have any suggestion or experience the same thing, kindly comment below, so that we will do whatever, and we will try your idea in order to solve this problem. So thank you so much, guys, and have a good day ahead. Bye-bye.